Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dual factor authentication on your Temu account. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, dual factor authentication, as you know, is like two layers of protection, and it's very important in nowadays, especially when you have so many cyber crimes going on uncontrolled. So what happens is, like, generally traditionally how we log in, we have an ID and password. But nowadays, with sophisticated technologies, scammers and those hackers can get into it. With dual factor authentication, it provides an additional layer of security. So somebody gets your password by any mean. Still, you have another layer of protection, like you can set it on an authentication app that generates a new code every minute. So if they have to log in along with password, they need that code. Or else you can get a text message on your phone with a code. That code needs to be added to. So these are the methods generally used. So that's what I'm going to show you. So on your Temu account, okay, if you go to account, you will see this. Now on right hand side top, you see a setting icon. Tap on that. I'm going to show you in the form of screenshots to avoid privacy issues. Now once you do that, you come to this page where it shows you your account is protected, but it doesn't mean it's still enabled, okay, and some other information. Now you see the first green option, account security. That is where you have to tap in that arrow mark towards right. Now again you see your account is protected, where it shows your email, password and two-factor authentication off. So here you have the link to turn it on, okay. So you have to tap on this to turn on. Now this is the next page where it asks you to set up your authentication, where you want to get the text with the code over the SMS, okay, or text message, whatever. Another thing is to use an app, okay. Now the benefit of the second option that I have not enabled is that no network connectivity required. That means if you are at an area where there is no network connectivity, or if you are out of country in some other part of the world and you have kept your phone on Wi-Fi mode with data disabled to avoid any extensive charge, you can go for this option. So that really helps. Now when you do this, it's going to ask you to put your password again, and also it's going to ask you to put the code. Now what it does, it sends you a code, and here it's going to ask you the 6-digit code. Now after this, you see two-factor authentication is now active, but it does give you backup codes, like if you lose your access, like your phone or something, with these codes you can still manage and reset the things. So save them at a secured location. That's what it is. So with this it is done, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.